Now, how do you complete the square? This is going to be appearing very often in your math exams, and here's how you do it. Here, first, let's look at the quadratic equation. Now, you have to write the open bracket and put in the x. Now, what do you put in as b here? You need to look at the b of the quadratic equation, and you need to divide it by 2. So what's 6 divided by 2? That's 3. You write down 3 and you write close bracket square. We leave the 5 outside. We don't include it inside the bracket. You want to minus this 5 by whatever you divided by 2 in the b. So here in this case is going to be our 3. 3 close bracket square, like this. If we continue to expand this, here I've now squared my 3 and it's become minus 9. 5 minus 9 is going to become negative 4. And so our final answer is x plus 3 close bracket square minus 4. That is how you complete the square. But it is actually very important that the a in your quadratic equation is at 1. How do you complete the square when the a is not 1? Here is another example. So here we have a quadratic equation where the a is not at 1 anymore. You can see there's 2. Now, how do we make it into 1? How do we make it into an ideal equation for us? You're going to want to factorize it by whatever number is back here, which is 2. So we're going to factorize this. Now you see everything has been divided by 2. Now you're going to want to complete the square normally inside the bracket. And since we already did this equation before, I'll just skip through the steps. So you see, now I've repeated all the steps and completed the square inside the bracket. Now we still have this 2 outside. So we need to multiply everything inside by 2 now. And that's how you complete the square when your a is not at 1.